Hi folks, this is Chris from Scottish Fitness Conditioning. Today I'm going to talk to you about food groups and how the macronutrients and micronutrients fit into that. Okay, so we're going to start with liquids. Okay, so essentially we should be drinking 2 litres of water a day. Reason being is because our body is made up of 65% water. So essentially you want to be getting 4 cups of 500 mils of water a day to help with optimal functioning. So you can get this in breakfast, lunch, mid-afternoon snack, and dinner. Try not to have one too close to bedtime because you don't want to be getting. So proteins next. So next for the proteins, you're looking at 1.2 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body mass. So essentially, you're looking at a 90 kilogram person would be looking at 108 to 200 grams of protein. So that is your, again, I'll reiterate, that is your meat, fish, and your eggs. Examples of protein. Alright, so carbs. Carbs, again, you've got the slow digesting carbs, high in fibre. Fast digesting carbs, which we'll explain about in a minute. The slow digesting carbs with high in fibre, the more complex ones, your fruits, your vegetables, root vegetables, beans and legumes are the things you want to try and get in your diet. Okay, so this depends also on the person. There's no set numbers for the carbs. It's more to do with what lean mass you've got, genetics, body weight, how big you are, how small you are. You've got to take all these things into consideration before you can determine these things for carbs. So the fast digesting carbs, which is a quick supply of energy, in other words, so good for athletes during workouts, after workouts, to get the energy stores and the glucose back into the body to replenish the supplies. Or it's also good for someone that's looking to gain weight. Someone that's wanting to put on, say, half a stone or 1 stone. They'd be looking to maybe utilise the fast digestion carbs. So we're moving on to fats. So dietary fats essentially supply you energy. So that's where you get most of your energy from, is from the fats in your diet. Some of the energy, most of it anyway. So you've got cheeses, nuts, avocados, extra virgin olive oil, chia seeds. That's just some examples what you can use to get the energies in from the fats. And primarily these fats give you 2 fatty acids that we cannot produce in the body on our own. So you've got an omega-6 fatty acid and omega-3 fatty acids that you essentially need from the fats to get optimal functioning. Alright, so that's why you need to make sure you're getting the right amount of fats into your diet. Alright, so the key takeaway from this is minimise the processed food you eat and optimise the fresh whole foods that you eat. Make sure you're getting more of the whole foods gradually into your diet. Alright guys, hope you find that useful. Like if you like it, share if you want to, and please subscribe. Speak to you soon.